Hello, I'm Dr. Siri, a consultant obstetrician at Fernandez Hospital. I'm here today to answer frequently asked questions about baby's well being during labor. We have all seen films and videos portraying the different stages of labor, but none of them focus on what baby goes through during labor. Today, I'll explain why monitoring the baby's health during labor is just as vital as monitoring the mother's well being. Most babies go through labor without any problems. Each contraction causes the blood flow in the placenta to reduce to an extent that causes a drop in the baby's oxygen supply. This change in blood flow affects some babies and is reflected by a change in the baby's heart rate. Monitoring the fetal heart rate during labor helps detect these changes. When a change is identified, your doctor or birth team will take necessary steps to ensure the baby receives enough oxygen. Fetal heart rate monitoring is a process of checking the baby's condition during labor and delivery by monitoring the heart rate using a special equipment. There are two fetal heart rate monitoring methods during labor: auscultation and electronic fetal monitoring. Auscultation is a method used for low-risk pregnancies to listen to the baby's heartbeat periodically. It is performed using either a Pinat fetoscope or handheld Doppler every 15 minutes in early labor and every 5 minutes in later stages. Monitoring the baby's heart rate with this method allows free movement during labor. Waterproof handheld Dopplers are available for monitoring the women in pools. Electronic fetal monitoring continuously records the baby's heartbeat and mother's contractions during labor using specialized instruments. It is used when there are pregnancy risks like diabetes, hypertension, and restricted fetal growth. Monitoring can be external or internal. External monitoring uses sensors on the abdomen. One measures the fetal heart rate and the other assesses contractions. These sensors connect to a monitor that records the heart rate and contractions for interpretation by the midwife or doctor. Internal monitoring involves a fetal scalp electrode, a small clip attached to the baby's scalp that records the baby's heart rate. If there is an abnormal baby's heart rate pattern, your healthcare provider will first try to find the cause. Steps can be taken to help the fetus get more oxygen, such as changing positions, hydration, or reducing the frequency of contractions. If these procedures do not work, the healthcare provider may decide to deliver right away by cesarean section, vacuum, or forceps-assisted vaginal birth. I hope this answers your questions about baby's well-being during labor. Please comment or message us if you have any more questions.